Do you know how to solve an inequality by using multiplication and division? Let's take a look at an example. Negative 5x is greater than or equal to 20. Now this inequality has multiplication in it, so we're going to use the inverse to solve it. And we're going to divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 cancels, bring down the x. X is greater than or equal to 20 divided by negative 5, which is negative 4. So this means that any value that is greater than or equal to negative 4 can be substituted into this inequality to make it a true statement. Let's take a look at another example. X divided by 2 is less than negative 3. This inequality has division in it, so we're going to use the inverse of division, which is multiplication. We're going to multiply both sides by 2. Here the 2's will cancel. We can bring down the x. X is less than negative 3 times 2, which is negative 6. So any value less than negative 6 can be substituted into this inequality to make it a true statement. Now let's look at one that has a fraction in it. 4/5 x is less than or equal to 20. Now because we have a fraction on the left side of the inequality, we want to be able to clear this fraction. And we do that by multiplying by its reciprocal. We're going to do that to both sides of the inequality. This cancels and this cancels, leaving x alone. X is less than or equal to. Now when we multiply this right side through, we have 20 times 5, which is 100. And we have 1 times 4, which is 4. So we can say that x is less than or equal to 25. Let's look at another one with a fraction in it. 1/2 x is greater than 9. Again, we want to clear this fraction, so we're going to multiply by its reciprocal, which is 2 over 1. We do that on the right and the left side of the inequality. On the left side, these values cancel, leaving x alone. X is greater than 9 times 2, which is 18. Here's the solution for this inequality. Now let's look at one that has a decimal in it. 2.4x is greater than or equal to 14.4. This inequality has multiplication in it, so we're going to divide both sides by 2.4. On the left side, these cancel. Bring down the x. X is greater than 14.4 divided by 2.4, which is 6. X is greater than or equal to 6. That is the solution for this inequality.